All right, so in this quick video, we are going to do live ideation for the client. For Instagram, I'm going to come up with one or two or three reels for my client. Now, the condition is that I don't have the loom for the client, which means I don't know what the client's story is about. So that's a big of an issue. But regardless of the issues, we come up with solutions. We try to find solutions. So 1 to 3 reels, I'm going to come up with the ideas all raw. This is the client, and we have his footage like this, and we have old footage a lot, which I'm going to utilize. As you can see here, we have a lot of old footage which we can use, snapshot videos and stories, which we can build stories around. We can use voiceovers, which is going to be perfect for us. All right, no, we don't need to use that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it as family friendly as I can. This is the client, Devin. I love him. He's good at his execution. He has a credit repair business. He basically helps all of his students get low credit, and he teaches people how to start his business. So pretty much we have footage from all of his 2025. Okay, these are the footages we have. This is the client, and this is what we are going to be basically filling in. This is his content calendar. The team has already worked on some of the ideas on this one, but I'm also going to be doing some of them live. So first thing first, iPhone mirroring. I'm just gonna mirror this. So let me show you how it's done. It's going to be a long one, so we're going to be doing some doom scrolling, so get ready for that. So I hope that's easier for you guys. All right, so we're going to go open Instagram. This is not the type of ideation we need to do. So and we're going to select the burner ideation account. We're going to go towards the credit repair niche. Credit repair. I can see what are the type of
These
videos.
two websites will remove anything from your credit report. Let me show you how. First, you want to use.
Okay.
Let me show you how to do the Equifax data breach. Come, go to this site, click here to see if you were.
So a lot of talking head videos are working really well in this niche. But we need to build our client towards more over of a lifestyle type of content, so we're going to do that. Okay.
Best hardship loans for bad credit in 2025. First is One Main Financial. You can get up to $20,000 and all you need is a minimum 500 credit score. Next up is Opportune. You can get up to $10,000 and there's no minimum credit score required. Third is Prosper.
So this is a custom video which we can't record. The client needs 15 to 20 reels from all of his older content, so that's what we need to focus on for now. So I'm going to go to my Discord and I'm going to see what are some Outlier video ideas I've already performed for the clients which I can use. So yeah, let's going to do that. I'm going to click here. We're going to go towards writing, team copy console. The Outlier video ideas. All right, let's see this one. For this, we would need the story, which we are going to generate from YouTube style. YouTube style. This template, inspiration link. Now we need to check the footage. Oh, this footage we can use. I'm gonna make sure. We can make also content around gym. I've got old videos. Let me just scroll through a little bit more. So moreover, in the credit repair space, the content that works, we repair bad credit. Okay, it's talking head content. So we're gonna work on that too.
saying? We'll put
Initially, let's try to focus more on. Oh no.
Темная ночь, только пули
Oh,
свистят
this is
по
a good video
степи.
idea. Ah, it clicked.
Темная ночь, только пули свистят по степи.
Finally got my degree in computer science. Can't wait to become super.
Темная ночь.
Okay. Can't wait to get into 9 to 5. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna execute this. First photo. Okay. First photo. Use Devin getting graduated. Probably getting graduated. Okay, now we have to go through his old Snapchat videos and photos. Now there are a lot of angles I can take. I can take the wife angle. I can take the party angle. I can take, the business angle. I can take, the lifestyle angle. There's a lot of angles like lifestyle switch, partying all day, all night angle. Let's see the video again.
Пули свистят по степи.
Okay, finally got my degree. It was something in which he's living on a mansion or something like that. House tour. Now we're talking. Masterclass. Now we're talking. So we have the masterclass. Oh, this is great. Oh, we're just gonna... No, I'm not using this. Is so corny. If it is 60 FPS, it is great because we can do slow motion on that. So that way, what Devin is going to do is going to feel like it's relaxed. This might be the one.
Become the best version of yourself, and masculinity is going to come to a gym, eating the wrong foods when you.
Nah, this is corny.
Eat that banana, boy.
Quick potassium, no cramps, and no, we don't eat it like that. We break.
I found the perfect video, bro, for this. The perfect. Can't be more perfect than this. This is a great one. We're just going to use the barber's one. Yeah, this is the one we're going to use. Now we need to have a copywriting. Holy shit, this is too gassed. So, yeah, out of all three of them, we're just going to use any one of them, which is perfectly structured in such a way that he looks rich as fuck. We can also use this one, though.
So guys, that's it. 10. This is an absolute compound. You see what it gets you in Medellin. And guys, again, this situations, you can make.
This one is great. I'd say we have a lot of good footage for the clients, and that's a lot more easier for us now. Yeah, okay. Now what I'm going to do. So we're going to have a B-roll. First footage that we're going to use is this one. Here, copy link, boom. First footage use Devin getting graduated or from his older Google Drive. Second transition, we show a B-roll of these clips. First footage, mention. Second we're going to use is, first he's just skimming through the place. Second he's going to use is getting a haircut. That's the best one. That's it. First, second, 2 of them are done. Third we're going to use probably is, oh yeah, showing the mansion. Alright, so I took my time. I was just going through ChatGPT. As you know, I didn't have the loom for the client, so I took the job angle. I'm going to use this photo as the first one. Use Devin getting graduated or from his audio drive. This one. Use the same audio as shown in the reel. Captain will be finally got my degree in computer science. Excited for my first day on the job. That's the and then the transition is going to be showing the clips of him saying never mind. So it's a simple lifestyle video that we have created. It's going to be something like that.
Темная ночь.
We are getting viral with this one. I'm 100% sure this is going to go well. So I just ideated 2 reels live right in front of you. This is ready for the editor. We're just going to add details, assign Abdullah, myself, give the niche to, it's going to be lifestyle plus info, and edit this one ASAP. YouTube style, we can do that once we have information about the client, but this was simple, and this is how you come up with ideation. You just scroll a little bit. You should have a burner account. Boom, boom, just keep on going through. You're gonna find some video edit. For example, this is a video down. They can choose Devin's photo above, below, and the screenshots photos above, and probably related in his credit repair stories. And a video idea like we can do something. No, not this one.
For 6 months, I couldn't.
Carney.
Your 20s are going to be the best year.
Carney. Probably. One.
Don't have a job.
Nah. This is a good one. We can do that for the client. So we can do that. So that's how you basically come up with ideas for a client. That was live ideation. I hope that helped you guys, and to get a picture on how to execute this, all these ideas. And yeah, thank you.